Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So I recently picked up this GoPro Hero Tan and my car is pretty dirty, which means I need some serious car wash because I recently took a trip where I kind of encountered snow on the way back, so my car is pretty dirty. I did try to rinse it out, but I didn't have time to wash it properly. So today we're going to be doing that. I need some high pressure washers so I can do it at my home. I'm going to be taking it to one of the self-car washes, and we're going to be doing a POV just to try the new GoPro and washing my car. But before we get started, we're going to give you a cold start with these Course Extremes on my Mustang GT. Now, it is a little early in the morning, so it is going to be a quiet start. But even with the quiet start, you can still hear the exhaust. Try to use my own products, so I'm going to be using these Meguiar's Car Wash, the car mitts, and I've got some microfiber towels here as well. All of these are going to be linked in the description. You can kind of see how dirty this car is. Look at this. I completely forgot to turn on the track mode for the exhaust. I'm like, why is this so quiet? Because I was recording all these video clips, it didn't occur to me. So let's turn on the exhaust. I have it set to my mode where it just pulls up the track mode for the exhaust. Now, one thing that I really wish Ford didn't cheap out on these Mustangs, or I think even on most of the Ford products, is the paint quality. I've mentioned in some of my videos where I'm pretty disappointed with the paint quality. It's a very thin paint. I try to take care of my car. I try to get it washed regularly. But I've already noticed like 3-4 paint chips. I still remember when I first got my rock chip and I was like, oh my god, this is not happening already. It was like, I think the car was only like 1 year old or something. But once you kind of get a couple of them, you get used to it. Okay, so we're just about to pull into this car wash. I really hope it's not busy. I mean, it's kind of early, so hopefully not. Like, if it's busy, then I kind of feel guilty using the bucket washing. I don't like using their soap and definitely not their brushes. So, I mean, I do see a lot of cars, so that's not a good sign. An empty bay. Let's see. Okay, let's go find some coins. As you can see, it's very dirty. Alright, so just finished washing my 2019 Mustang GT. Now we're going to go through the painful process of drying the car, making sure there's no water spots left. So I'll be back once it's done drying. That's like the boring part. You guys don't really want to see that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the car wash on my 2019 Mustang GT. I really like the POV style. I'm going to be definitely using the GoPro a lot more often. So stay tuned for a lot of POV videos. I'm going to do one on my Corsa Extreme catback. I bet that's going to be a very good one. Without any commentary, just pure sound. It'll be very enjoyable for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and comment below what you think of the self-car wash versus washing it on your own in your own driveway. And as always, subscribe to Red 50 for more Mustang content.